In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing. This is a product I'm about to promote. It's a DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo camera. We're gonna use this as a blueprint. So let's get started. I've logged in and these are the landing pages I've created already. Click funnels and click on create. We have to name it this name here. I'll right click and copy, go back here, paste it, and funnel domain. You can use your SYSTEME.io subdomain, but if you want to go professional, you have to connect a custom domain to your account. Choose your funnel goal. My goal is to build an audience. If you want to sell, go with this. I have a tutorial on that. Custom, I don't like it. You end up doing double work. Run an evergreen webinar. It doesn't apply in this tutorial. For the currency, you can choose any currency you want or set US dollar as your standard. Click save. I don't want a thank you page. I'll remove it because it's another step for the prospect or your potential customer. And in terms of affiliate marketing, this can reduce your conversion rate, but if this is a course or a giveaway, yeah, that's fine. If you want people to convert quickly, this is the right way. Select a template. Let's see. I'll go with this, but there are a bunch of templates and you can keep going. But I'll end here. I'll go with this one because I don't want to waste your time. This is a template. That's when you click the view. I'll select it, give it a name. The name you're gonna give here will be your slug. Use lower cases and add dashes between the words I-pocket -2 for SEO purposes. Click edit page. You see it's checked. That means it's good. Next, this is the page to edit. You can double click and type whatever you want to type or delete whatever you don't need. Let's say capture your and just do whatever you need to. But I want to show you how to create this thing like a pro. I'll delete everything just so you know how to go about it. I'll do it fast and I'll get back to you. Everything is done and click save. When you check the sales page, you can tell the background is white. We're gonna go back, click here, click on settings and scroll down and change this color to white and click on save changes. Done. Let's create it together. I'll go back here and I'll copy DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Control C or right click, copy and go back, and I'll go up, click inside the page, drag and drop it here, double click, drop it. I'll highlight everything and I'll scroll down because I want to change the font. Scroll down. Under font type, click it and change it to Google font or something. Then after, click again and select, let's say Montserrat, or you can choose Open Sans and bold it. Then click save. I need to add a sub headline. Drag this, the headline, and put it right underneath. Undo is too far. Drag and go right underneath. Go back again and I'll use this. Right click, copy, go back, double click and paste it, then highlight and go back. Google Fonts, click again and Open Sans. Hover, and when you see the orange bracket box, yeah, that's what you are looking for. And click on the gear icon and over here scroll down and the top margin, push it up. That's all we're looking for. Click on it, yeah, and save. Or if we want, we can reduce this and then double click, reduce this to H3 or H4, yeah, to bring it to a smaller size. Save again. I'll use column 2. You can use any column you want. I'll drag and I'll put it right underneath. Then inside this box, I'll drag an image and I'll drop it inside the box or on the right. Then I'll drag my text and I'll drop it here. I'll work on the text, then after I'll change the image. I'll do that quick. I'll scroll down and I'll use this text here. Capture, copy, go back, double click this, right click, emoji, and I'll give it this emoji, space, and I'll drop this. Capture stable. Change this because you have to edit the text, and I'll reduce the font to, let's say 16 is better. Then double click, space, right click, the emoji again and space. You need to read through the overview or the details of the product to come out with the best message of this product, because you don't have to copy everything and drop it. The image, I'll go back, scroll up, right click, save image, DJI I just save it. What I'll do, I'll go back, click here on the settings sign, and under image file, click on the cloud to upload. Select, this is the image, click on it, open and insert. This is how it's gonna look like. If I want, I can increase this again. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. Yeah, 21, something like that, in parallel with this image that I've inserted. Save again, click save. Simple landing pages convert like crazy, you have no idea. Next, we're gonna have to add opt-in form. Scroll down, form input, and drop it down here, and click on the gearbox to add the inputs. To select type, and I'll select first name. Save, and I'll click inside the page, and I'll grab the input form again, form input, drop it under, then click on it, and this time around under input type, I'll select email, then save. Next is the button. Drag the button and drop it. Edit, access now. Increase the font size. I'll reduce it to 24, then scroll down. The sub text, we don't need it, I'll take it off. And actually, let me increase this font a bit to 22. Yeah, and the background, I'll change this to the same yellow, dark yellow, or this yellow. Yeah, it looks similar to what they have before, because there was a background color when you hover and it changes and stuff. I want to create something similar, but I don't want the exact yellow. Save. Yeah, and the weight, let's see, 5. I'll change it. Click on Google Font first, then I'll click select, and I'll use Open Sans like what we have from the beginning. You see these disclaimers, we're gonna make use of it. And I'll go to test, and I'll drop the test right underneath. Before I do that, let me add a line. We are creating this like a pro, and I'll add another test again, and you see what I'm doing later. We need to add disclaimer. Double click, drop it, and I'll reduce this size to 16. That's what I normally do, and I'll change this from video to site. If you don't have yours, you can copy this after watching this video and use it. This site ends affiliate now, an affiliate link. If you purchase an item via the link, I will earn a small commission. I can highlight and move it to the left, which is better, and bold this. Save. Because this disclaimer, most companies or vendors want you to issue this disclaimer. By law, you have to indicate. I'm gonna issue a disclaimer here. First, I'll go back. I'll show you something quick. On my site, when you go down, see this? I'll copy all of this. Copy, go back here, and what I'm doing, if you don't have yours, this is what you have to do. And I'll change this to, let's say, type your brand name here, or whatever name you want to use. Let's say brand. I'll say brand name X. I'll reduce the text size to 16 like I always do, and enter. And if you don't have your website, like for instance, in my case, I can use these disclaimers. If you don't have your website, use this disclaimer, terms and conditions, use, and privacy policy. Copy privacy policy, copy link address, copy, go back, and Control V. I'll say privacy policy space, then terms and we can say terms. Let's see, terms and conditions, and terms of use. I'll go with terms and conditions. I'll go back, close my page, go back, and terms and conditions. Just remember to use the right one, and click on link. Click here inside the box, drop it, and click on this save. Then as you can tell, it's underlined. Go back again, and we're gonna do same for privacy policy. Copy link address, go back, highlight, click on the link, drop it, click inside the box. If you don't click, you cannot drop it. Save. Then when all is done, click on save changes. This is how it's supposed to be. But if you have to promote this on Facebook, you need Facebook complainant here. When you go to Google, search for Facebook disclaimant. But I don't want to do that. I'll keep moving. Let me click save. This is simple, but trust me, it converts like crazy. Let's exit this page, and I'll show you what to do next. We're not done yet. When your prospects enter the email address and the name, where do you want that email address to go? That's what I will show you. Hover on contact, because what I'm about to show you, if you don't do it, the email address is gonna go to the general email box, and in future, if you have to promote something to a particular audience, it's gonna be difficult, and you're gonna end up promoting, let's say, weight loss product to make money online customers, which is not good. I'll hover on contact under this tag, right click, open. I'm gonna create a new tag or email list. Click on create, then we're gonna name it DJI. Let me see, I'll name it this combo. Drop it here, and I'll say into bracket leads, then save. We've created it. We're gonna go back, click on automation rule, scroll down, add rule, click on final step when form subscribed, then it's checked. However, because we are inside the same landing page, because a landing page is here, but when you go automation rule, whatever you do is still attached. Hover on these three dots and click edit automation rule. What do we want to do when a contact has just subscribed through a form? Add action. If we are to set up email sequence, we'll click on subscribe to campaign, but we want to add it to a tag. Click tag, click the arrow down, and this is the tag that we just created. Click on it and click save rule. Rule is saved. When you go to edit form again, you can tell it's in there. Save again. We are good to go. If you want to make sure again, just go to edit, it's saved. I'll go back here because it's saved already. Click on the button, submit form. When form is submitted, I'll redirect to a custom URL. And what's the link? I'm gonna go back, double click. I'm pretending like this is my affiliate link. Right click, copy, go back, click here and paste it, and click save, and save again. Everything is done. Let's exit. Alright, view funnel, view. This is it. Nice and simple. If the prospect tries to access, it will not work. When I click it, it says fill this form. The prospect has to fill this form before access. If I restart, yes, the prospect come back. Try, no, you have to. For instance, let's say and enter email and access. Guess what? It brings the prospect to the product I'm trying to promote, which is good. Let's go to the inbox to make sure it's in there. When I go to contacts here, this is how you create a landing page using SYSTEME.io. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.